Hi, today I want to show you how to record the screen on an Android phone using the onboard software. I'm using Android version 10. If you just drop down the list here and you will find the icon here, screen recording, just start it. And if you are using this for the first time, it will ask you to give permission to allow media file access. And you have the option to record no sound or everything's media sound and microphone. That's what I want to demonstrate here. Start it and you will see the countdown here, start recording, and also the control panel here. You can stop it anytime. For demonstration, I'm going to use the karaoke software. So play a song. Okay, you can hear the music at the moment. I try to keep on talking to make sure it's recording the microphone. And now I stop it here. You can see recording stopping. So pause. Now I'm going to the gallery. And there's a new file. Just come in. Play. For demonstration, I'm going to use the karaoke software. So play a song. Okay, you can hear the music at the moment. I try to keep on talking to make sure it's recording the microphone. And now I stop it here. Okay, as you can see, my voice is recorded, but of course the control panel wasn't recorded. This is the software. So I think this is quite useful function. I hope you'll find this video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.